My name is Gage. This is Gage's game. The big, long game of math, rolling dice, and involves Earth. First thing you do is put the player pieces on the start square. One player rolls the operation dice to see if players need to have plus or minus in the equation. A different player rolls the 12-sided dice to get the target number. All players roll all 8 of their standard 6-sided dice. These are the numbers the player can use: addition and subtraction. No multiplication or division to hit the target number. Once the player has rolled the 8 dice, the player uses the numbers from the dice to make the target number, using addition, like this right now, and or subtraction. The player must use the operation at least once. The number of standard dice the player uses in their equation to get the target number is that turn. The more dice the player can use, the further they get to move. Once each player has created their equations and moved their piece to the correct number of steps, the turn is over. What I did was 6 plus 1, these equal 3, because you can also make mini equations to get to the number. 4 plus 3 and 4 plus 3 again equals 7. And I had one leftover dice, so I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Special spaces. When the player lands on a special space, they must move forward or backwards according to the directions on the space. Pick up trash. You would go 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, like that. Collect tree cards by landing on a space that says tree card. The player collects a tree card. This card can be played later by the player. It allows them to multiply the amount of spaces they move in the turn. If a player plays 1 tree card, it doubles the space. These are 60 tree cards in a deck. They can move for the turn. If they play 2, like this, it triples the amount of spaces they can move, and so on forth. So the more you use, the more spaces you can go. The goal of the game is to get to the finish, which is right here, or there if you landed here, or the short game that's right here. So then I would get enough dice to go, or more, then I've won. So good luck going from there to here if you want to do the long game. I'm Gage, and I hope you like my game.